Hey, Ruslan.
Oh, hello, Clayton. How are you?
Good. And
Good,
you?
good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. And you, afternoon.
Yeah. So,
We-
have you
we-
practiced with hardness tester with T-UD3? Do you have I don't know, even more questions? By the way, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Are you listening me too?
Yes, I can hear you
Yes.
well.
Okay. Uh, we we are here again to learn to you. Okay.
Yeah.
We would like to know the main difference between the TUD3
Yes.
and the T TU2
Okay.
TU2. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Sure.
Sure.
The main difference is T-UD3 is more convenient to use. It has bigger screen, obviously. Yes, if we compare it. This is like monochrome display. This one is color for this display. Also, there was a question from you about graph. So in calibration mode, you can see the graph when you're doing calibration. So and in TUD2, do you see? Yeah. In TUD2, you don't see any graph. I will show you right now also the difference between in the measurement menu
Oh,
between all the modes, because the
Mi-
modes also different.
Mr. Ruslan,
Yeah, yeah,
1 minute, please. I problem in my songs. 1 minute, please. Okay.
yeah. Of course, no problem.
O não tá saindo o áudio na TV, hein? É na configuração. Tá aqui?
Baixa aí o. Pois não, é na configuração de áudio do PC. Tem que sair dessa cara. Vai ali no.
Aqui no
Aí vai lá em.
som, não, né? Aqui. Mix, abrir, configuração de som.
Configuração de som. É porque o meu é Windows 11. Mas ali, ó, fone de ouvido lá em cima. Vira mais sair, pode sair.
Isso, tem essa? Naquele dia foi? Solução de problema.
Acho que tá meio erradinho, né? Se fosse
Mas é o que tá daqui, ó. Vamos ver aqui.
Isso é o microfone.
Aí. E alto-falante. Não. Dispositivo de entrada.
O microfone tá certo. Não de saída mesmo. Se só tiver ele, é porque ele não tá reconhecendo a TV. Tá ligado no HDMI?
Tá.
Explode tudo.
O problema de desplugar.
No PC.
O problema de desplugar é o.
Ele
não voltar.
Então deixa. Não, deixa. Não, tá dando pra ouvir. Tá dando pra ouvir.
A gente vê.
Vai. Se você respondeu para você.
Sorry, Ruslan. Please.
No problem.
Continue, please.
Of course. So you can see like the difference in form factor, of course, but the main difference is probably in measurement mode. Let me demonstrate. So when you see on your device, there is a, on T-UD2 device, there is a button X. Do you see it?
Okay.
Okay. You can see, you can choose one of four modes different. This is normal mode. I don't know if you see my screen very well.
A primeira opção. Em cima em cima a taxinha.
Essa aqui. Tanto faz, pelo menos.
I hope it's better.
Lá embaixo, deixa eu trazer. Coloca acho que a legenda daqui é destaque. É aquela legenda da. Não, pode deixar. Melhor que não.
Okay, Rosner, please continue, please.
Yes. Sure. Okay, so this is a normal mode. This is normal mode in T-UD2. Normal mode. It shows only the hardness. Then we can choose statistics mode. I press X, and you can see much more data. You can see minimum and maximum hardness values. You can see the average value. You can also see a standard deviation. This one is TD. Can you tell me if you see the screen well? I hope you see.
Yes, I see it.
Yeah, you see? Oh, okay, great. And also there is a number of your measurements. Currently it's 3, and when I do more measurements, it will change to 4, 5, etc. So let's cover it again. Maximum value, minimum value, current value, current hardness value. STD means standard deviation in percent, and also average measurement across all of these measurements. You can also see the same in T-UD3. It will be displayed differently, but the same information essentially.
Bora com os 3, dividir cada mínimo máximo.
As you can see, the same information: maximum, minimum, deviation, average, and number of measurements. These are the same modes. But in T-UD3, you can see a mode called histogram. I told you about it on previous Thursday. You can see a graph looking like this. This is the difference between T-UD2, because in T-UD2 there is no mode, there is no graph like this. in T-UD2, you can see normal mode, statistics mode, and smart mode. I also will tell you about it because I didn't cover it on last meeting. I will show you here. So this is smart on T-UD3. You see the digits are, they have an unfilled, they are unfilled, yeah? You can see only an outline. Second. Okay. I've done 3 measurements. I've done 3 measurements on smart mode. After you do 3 measurements, you basically save the range of you basically save the hardness range. Yeah, you have a question?
Yes, I have a question.
Sure.
If I use app, has different. I using app.
What do you use?
Use
App?
app Novotest app. No,
Okay.
in my cell phone.
Yes. Okay, I understand. Yes, and you want me to show you on the phone, on the cell phone, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
Excellent. Let me connect.
Yes.
Okay. You see, I have 2 devices right now with me. So let me connect only one. Okay. This is also an interesting difference between application and the device itself.
Yes.
Sorry. Because in the application, there is no smart mode. I will tell you in words what smart means. In smart, you can record 3 measurements for a same for some hardness range. For example, 50 to 60 HRC. And if you go measure, I don't know, 40 HRC sample, it will not record. The device will not record this measurement because it exceeds the hardness range. You know what I mean? It can be useful if you want to test only in a certain range. Also, about the differences between TUD3 and TUD2. In TUD3, you can charge this device with an USB cable, but TUD2 you can only charge with an external charger. I will show you right now. I have it with me. Okay, I don't have an external charger for batteries, but yes, this TUD3 device you can charge with this cable, but this one you can only use the cable for transferring data, to transfer data to PC. This is the main reason. And I think this is all the differences. If you use app, Novotest app on your cell phone, between these two there is zero difference because you use the features of the application, not the features of the device. Let me connect this one, and I will show you that it is the same. I disconnect TUD3, and now I will connect TUD2. Okay, you can see TUD2 appear. I connect TUD2. Okay. Okay, it doesn't connect. Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, the difference in the application between these two, there is no difference in the application. If you use the application, features in your application will be the same. It doesn't matter if it is TUD2 or TUD3. I will try again. I cannot connect. Oh, okay. I connected to this one. Okay. You can see the same. You can see the same graph. Yeah. Even that I connected to T-UD2. I can see the same information that T-UD3 gives me. I can also add a text note. I can also add an audio record, add a photo. Here I will add photograph. I can save. I can place a hardness here. And the photo also will show where I did the last measurement.
Mr. Rosa,
Yeah.
can you repeat this function, camera menu, please?
Oh, of course. Yeah. I will do it again. 1 second. Okay.
Vai repetir a função aí, beleza? Porque não foi. Esse mais aqui. Delete, okay. Thank you.
From the beginning. Okay. Okay, this is my measurement. This is my measurement series. And I want to add a photograph. Yes?
Yes.
There is a plus icon here. And I have an add marker because I already did a photo. But on your device, it will say add photo. Add photo. You press it, and you can go and take a photo, take a picture of your sample.
Okay.
For some reason, it shows me 0 HRC. It's strange. Maybe some kind of bug, but let me try from the beginning.
No problem.
Okay, do you have a cell phone with you? You can try it yourself as well.
Yes.
If you press, if you press the plus icon,
Okay.
you can see 4 options. There is text note, there is audio record, there is video record, and photo record.
All right.
You can see.
I see. Thank you.
You press add photo and your camera opens up and you can do a photograph. Let me take. And the photograph appears on my application. For example, I want to save this measurement. I only did one measurement, and I want to save it. I press save button here, and I can link I can place a marker on the photo. I press anywhere on the photo and I place a marker. I don't know, it shows me 0.HRT, but in your case, it should show a correct value. It works only after you did like at least one measurement by UCI or leap probe. And you have two options. You can quit and save this record, or you can continue an operation. If you choose continue, let me show you. If you choose continue, your photo saves, and the marker with your hardness also saves. It's saved. You can do another measurement. You can do one more measurement. Sorry. Okay. I can add one more measurement, and I can add one more marker. I can place, I can click here. You see plus icon, small plus icon. I press OK. And I can move around and place my marker, for example, here. I can go on and save. I can quit and save this record, or I can continue. Let's save it. Okay, I quit and save. And now we want to see my saved measurement. We go back to main menu. Go back to main menu, and there is the archive button. I click archive.
Okay.
And you will see your measurement by the date. Okay, this one is 16/27. I think
Okay.
this one.
Can I send this message for WhatsApp, email? Can I send?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
You see a share button? Okay, I need to get synchronized. Okay, need to synchronize. There is a share button here. Right, this one. Here. You can share it. WhatsApp.
Okay.
You can WeChat. I don't know, many options. Instagram. You can send it by mail, etc.
Rosna, sending our group, please.
No problem.
Very good, Rosna.
Try to access it.
Excellent. Very smart.
So, does it work?
Alguém tem uma pergunta? Question? Não? Só não vou perguntar o que você falou, porque o cara não vai estar usando os dois aparelhos para transferir de um para o outro. It's okay, Ruslan. I see. I understand.
Okay, great. If you use not only T-UD3, you can see all your previous You can sort your saved measurements by the device. We also have TP2020 thickness, coating thickness gauge, and other devices that can connect to this application. So, for example, here was my measurement of dew point meter. So everything is saved in one application. All right, I think this is all information about T-UD2. Let me show you how to do a calibration in application, okay?
Okay.
Mm,
Calibration. Let's go.
yes. Okay, this is menu, calibration menu. White cells, there is no calibration. Blue cells, it means this is a factory calibration. A blue cell with a number on it, it means there was a user correction. You can actually correct the factory calibration. You can do a small adjustment. And if you can see a number, for example, number 3 on white cell, it means you did this calibration by yourself. It's your own calibration. Let's create new calibration. I click here, whenever, and I press calibration. Okay, now I have to do some measurements, 5 measurements, and I choose my calibration samples. This is my first calibration sample. I add it. I enter nominal value. For example, my first calibration sample is, what is our, okay, this is HB scale. Let it be 200 HB Brinell. I enter my nominal value, and I need to take at least 5 measurements on the sample. It's actually also written here, so it will be pretty easy for you. There is like an instruction written in English here. I need to do 5 measurements with my probe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I complete calibration. And also you need to do this 2 more times, because you always need to do 3 samples. You need to have 3 calibration samples for the first calibration. So we need to repeat this process again. I add my second calibration sample, for example, 400.
Mm.
This is 400 HB. I need to do 5 measurements again on the new sample. Unfortunately, I don't have 3 samples with different hardness with me, so this is like only theoretical for you. Okay, I did 5 measurements, and I can save. I can complete calibration. And the same is done with the last. Oh, sorry. Okay, complete calibration. You see, I have results for 3 of my samples. I click save. I click save, and the calibration is saved. Here it is.
Mm,
I created a calibration for gray cast iron for the HB Brinell scale. So the same works in the device. There was also a question from you how to calibrate T-UD2. I will show you the same here.
ok. Tá calibrando o aparelho agora. Foi? Device.
Okay, we have calibration menu here. We select calibration. And we see the same menu.
Sorry, Mr. Ruslan. Can you repeat
Yes.
this function, please?
Okay, sure. This is my main menu.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Measurement.
Yes, and I choose calibration.
Calibration.
Select.
Okay. Okay.
You see, I have like a plus icon here. +3.
It's better.
Only plus. Plus means it's factory calibration. In our device, in our cell phone, it was indicated as blue cell. Yeah, it was. But here it is like this. So these are factory calibrations. This and this, and also this. If you have only a number, 3 means 3 samples, 3 calibration samples. It means it's your own unique calibration. If you have an empty cell, like this one, empty, there is no calibration for this material and for this steel, for this scale. Okay, let's create one. We need to choose an empty cell and press select. Select and then edit.
Yeah.
In the top right corner, we have number of samples. Right now it's 2, but we need to change it to 3. We press edit. And we change it to 3. Now I have 3 samples.
Okay.
And I need to do 5 measurements. I move my like a cursor.
In this case,
here.
I use a block, okay?
Can you repeat?
In this case, I use a block.
Yes,
Now.
you can use a
Yes.
Yes, sure. You can use your own block. Okay, this is UCI code. UCI code. This is not a harness, but this one here. This is a nominal value, the nominal of your block. If you have 20 HB block, edit. You can change it. For example, I want to have 225. Okay, now it's 225. And I need to do 5 measurements on this one, on the first one. Okay. I did 5 measurements here. I move to the second. I press edit. For example, if your nominal block is not 500 HB and you want to change it, you press edit and you press edit again here and you change it. For example, first digit is 440. Okay, now we are ready. Now we are ready to do 5 measurements again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moving to the last one. The same process. Edit. Let's make it 590. Okay. 95. 595. And 5 measurements again.
Mr. Rulo, I have a question.
Okay. So,
What this number in up, top, when
this one?
when a new message? Yes. What is this?
This is UTI code. How can I say this? Do you know like the physics of this probe, UCI probe? What is like inside? Inside this probe there is vibrating rod, like a stick, vibrating stick, and it has a frequency, different frequency, and when this okay. One second.
Okay. Pressão, frequência.
Once your indenter touches, when it touches the material, the frequency is changing. It changes, and this change is this number. And then this UCI code is converted to basically hardness. UCI code is essentially converted to hardness value. It can be HB, HV, doesn't matter. It's like calculator.
I see. Thank you.
So this one is UCI code, and this one in brackets. This is how many measurements I did 2. Now it's 3. Now it's 4. It shows 4. And now it shows 5.
Okay.
Okay, yes?
Yes.
So my calibration is ready. I can save it. If you want to save it, you need to press back button, this one.
Okay.
And you can choose an option, save or not save.
Save.
Save or not save. If, for example, if you don't want to save it, you can choose not to save it. Okay, I press save. Now it's saving. This. Okay. Okay. This is a calibration that we saved. This is SST, stainless steel for HB, Brinell value. Brinell stainless steel. When we want to use this calibration, we need to go to measurement, measuring, and here we need to choose. Here we need to choose SST, stainless steel, and here we need to choose HB. Okay. This button, this one, it chooses scale, HB. After that, you choose material. You see I have steel, aluminum, stainless steel, cast iron. As I said, we need to choose stainless steel. I press this button again. Okay, I have SST, stainless steel, and I have HB. This is my calibration. This will not be a correct calibration because I did it only on one test block. Okay. So have you also tried transferring data to your PC? It was one of your questions.
Yes, yes. Transfer to PC.
Okay. Okay, you can check in T-UD2. You can check your archive. Yeah. This one.
Okay.
Archive.
Archive.
My archive is empty. I need to create a measurement. Okay. Let's create this one. 57.7. I press save. I name my measurement. Yeah. I press save. Measurement 1. I go back to my archive. Yes. Select, and you can see that I have one measurement. Yes. Now, what I need to do is connect my cable.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. I need to connect my cable and connect the other end to my PC. Okay. Just I send you a link on WhatsApp. Can you go to this link, novotest.info?
Yes.
Okay. 1 second, I will. Can I share my screen? Okay. I will share my screen.
Okay. Dá pra deixar gravado pra gente ver, eu tô sem entrada.
Okay, this is my this is like a hub for all Novotest devices. What is my model? My model is T-UD2. Here on the top section here, I have USB connect. I press USB connect, and I choose what is my model. I choose the first option, hardness testers, T-UD2 and T-UD3. Okay. Now I need to select an allocation. Basically, I need to create a folder on my laptop, on my computer. I press select. I can choose, any folder. Any folder. After I choose my folder, here I have two options, copy and move. I always use copy because it also leaves your measurements on the device. But if you press move, it will delete the measurements from your device, but it will be moved to PC. Okay. Now I press copy. I confirm, and I can see one record is available. Continue or not? Yes. You see measurement 1 with UCI probe. I can already see the basic information about this measurement. I can see the graph here, and I can see also a histogram. Maximum, minimum deviation, average, standard deviation, and finally, yes, also you can see a serial number of your probe here. You can edit some information here if you want. You can give a name to responsible operator and what is the name of your object. And also you can save this measurement in PDF or Excel file. Here is PDF. I will send the PDF right now to WhatsApp.
Very good, Rosa.
Okay. The same is done with T-UD3. This is like the same process.
All right.
Yeah. Let me see what was your questions. How do you transfer T-UD2? Does T-UD2 have any graph? No, it doesn't have. T-UD2 has only a graph. You can see a graph once you transfer the results, or you can see a graph in here. You can see graph on your smartphone, or you can see a graph on your computer. But on the device, there is no graph.
I see.
Okay. What else? What were your questions again? Is there any difference in precision between the two? No, there is no difference because you measure with a probe, and the probe is the same. So precision is totally the same between two devices. You don't need to worry about it. Okay. Also, let me answer one of your last questions. Is it possible to use T-UD3 and convert HRC result to lib? You can convert it only with lib probe. I have UCI probe, so I cannot convert it to lib. But if I connect right now a lib probe and measure in HRC, I can then convert to any other scale. By the way, with UCI, you can convert from HRC to HV. Do you know this? I don't know if you don't. If you do, but I will show you. So this is a result in HRC scale. I press this button. It's like an H button. I choose HV and I leave still. And my value is converted to another scale. It's converted to HV.
I see. Okay.
By the way, have you answered your customer about they had some issue with the hardness tester? Do you have any feedback from them? Maybe any help is needed.
Alguém tem alguma pergunta? Question? No. No, Mr. Ruslan. No question.
Okay. Okay. 1 second, I will show you something.
Okay. Finish our live in 2 minutes.
No. Oh.
Very good today. Very good today.
Yeah. Do you know what this is?
No.
No?
What is this?
This is a special device for
Device?
this.
Really? A device?
Yeah, this is a device for measurement of very thin sheets. For example, if your sample is, yes, for example, if your sample is 1 millimeter, I will show you how to assemble it. I don't know if you have this one in stock. I don't remember right now.
No. I don't have ours.
So here is the slot to insert my metal plate. I can insert a plate here. And then let me actually show you.
Interesting.
Okay. I have a plate here.
Caramba, tipo aquele do Webster lá, né?
And I can use it to measure the hardness with UCI probe.
Mr. Ruslan, can you close the share?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Archive PC.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
I close it.
Thank you.
Do you see my camera right now?
I see. Excellent.
Okay. So this is device for measuring hardness of thin sheets. I can insert a metal plate here.
Caramba, placa de metal. Os caras mandam
And I can measure hardness. And I can measure hardness. If you have very big and thin sheets of metal, you can use this device to support, for additional support.
I see in your site. Interesting.
Yeah. So if you don't have it in stock, you should definitely have at least one to show your customers.
Yes. Yes, I don't have our stock.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's important. But it's important, no, because
Portable?
we offer my clients, my customer.
Yeah. Okay. Let me know if you have any unfinished questions about hardness tester, and on the next Thursday we can explore UT3M, right?
One moment, please.
One
Alguém tem alguma pergunta, alguma dúvida ou alguma pergunta sobre isso que ele está mostrando de placa aí?
Quais são as escalas que o T-UD2 não mede que o T-UD3 mede? Porque eu sei que eles medem escalas de diferença HRB, o T-UD2 não mede. Só mede HRC.
Ruslan,
Yeah.
There are scale in T-UD3 that don't has in T-UD2.
A scale?
Some scale don't. Não era essa aqui, não tem.
Então, quais são as escalas diferentes de micro?
What is difference scales between T-UD
In scales?
Yes, scales.
The same scales.
The same scales.
Yes, the same scales. Actually, for lib probe, T-UD2 has less calibrations. Lib probe.
T-UD2 measurement HRB.
Yes, HRB. HRB only for lib probe. For UCI, for this UCI, you have HRC, you have HB, Brunel, and HV. But you can create one. You can create yourself if you have like samples, you can create HRB.
Nice, nice. Thank
Okay.
you, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
That's it, Mr. Ruslan.
Yeah. Hope you gain more knowledge about hardness testers. I also can send you some additional information in WhatsApp group.
Ah,
You
sim,
can study it.
yes. More question in the group. Okay. Next
Yeah.
week we start a match.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So nice. It was nice to see you. If you don't have any questions, or maybe you have,
Don't have questions.
if okay, if not, then see you on next Thursday, the same time.
Yes, yes, the same time. Next week, 11
Okay.
a.m. Okay.
Yeah, so 11 a.m. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. Thank you too.
See you next week.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.